how to add other story to your story on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can add other story to your story on Instagram or any other app. So then the procedure is going to remain the same for any of the application apart from Instagram as well. To be specific, if you're using an Instagram and open up your Instagram, while you do that, now you'll be able to see if somebody has actually mentioned you on the story or not. Go to your DMs, and here, as you can see in my case, the following user has actually mentioned me. So in order to add it to your story, you can just, if somebody has actually mentioned you on their story, then it will be very easy to add it to your story. So all you have to do is just press on add to your story and then adjust the size, frame whatsoever, and click on your story. So that's how you can share other story to your story. However, if somebody has not mentioned you on their story, and then if you want to share it, in that case what you can do is you can simply go ahead and select their profile. Now let's say that this is the one, so you'll need to take a screenshot. So hold on to your power button and then the volume button at the same time. Now this highly depends on the type of model that you're using. Once you've taken a screenshot, the user will not be able to know that you've actually taken a screenshot as well. When you go to your story, and then you can see that the screenshot has been here. So in order to add it to your story, you can adjust the size and all that, and that's how you can add other story to your story on Instagram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.